Hi guys, Nicole Kernohan here. I wanted to talk to you about the purpose of goal setting, the purpose of having a goal. This might be contrary to popular belief, but the purpose of a goal is to grow. It is actually to show us that we can stretch and change and evolve and grow and become better and learn new skills. And the purpose of having big goals is to grow as a person, okay? Now the outcome, the result of having a goal, if we focus on it and we write it down and we work on it and work towards it, the outcome may be that we achieve the goal, and that's amazing, that's fabulous. But that is just one point in time. That is the achievement of it is not actually the real reason that we have goals. It's really important for us to differentiate that. The difference between the purpose of having goals and the actual achievement of the goals, okay? Hopefully that's resonating with you, and hopefully you can grasp the importance of that differentiation. Now, I do want to say, I don't want to downplay the value of achieving a goal. Of course, we all want bigger and better and greater things. We all want to be able to have a bigger and better impact on others and be able to give more in the world. So, we are always, I do believe in always working towards becoming more, but really separating the purpose and the outcome. Okay, hopefully that adds value. Thanks again, and I'll talk to you soon.